Hello again. Today we're doing a little algebra review. We're going to be solving equations with parentheses. Let's say I have 3x plus x plus 30 equals 90. Well, when we have parentheses, if there's just a plus sign here, we can actually drop the parentheses so that it becomes 3x plus x plus 30 equals 90. Well, 3x plus x is 4x plus 30 equals 90. Now I will subtract 30 from both sides, and these 30s cancel, and I'm left with 4x equals 60. So now I divide by 4, those 4's cancel, and x equals 15. So let's say we have 5x plus x minus 20 equals 70. Well, here I have a plus in front of a parentheses, so that means that I can just take away the parentheses. So now I have 5x plus x minus 20 equals 70. All right, so I'm going to add 20 to both sides. So that'll cancel those, and I'm left with 5x plus x equals 90. Well, 5x plus x, that's 5x plus 1x, so that's 6x equals 90. And I'll divide both sides by 6, and x equals 15. So let's say we have 2x minus, in parentheses, x plus 24 equals 90. Well, when you have a negative or a minus sign on the outside of the parentheses, that's going to affect everything inside of the parentheses. So this becomes 2x minus x minus 24 equals 90. Well, now I'm going to add 24 to both sides. These 24's cancel. I'm left with 114 on the right side. Now, 2x minus x is 2x minus 1x. So 2x minus 1x is 1x, or just x. So the answer is x equals 114. So here we have 5x equals 32 minus, in parentheses, x plus 2. This minus on the outside of the parentheses is going to affect everything inside the parentheses. So I'm left with 5x equals 32 minus x minus 2. Don't forget that this minus sign affects the 2. So it becomes minus 2. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add x on both sides so I can get all the x's on one side. So I'm left with 6x equals 32 minus 2. So now I have 6x equals, well, 32 minus 2 is 30, and I'll divide both sides by 6, and that cancels the 6's on the left. So x is equal to 5. All right, so let's say we have 180 equals 8x minus, in parentheses, 3x minus 15. Well, remember, this minus sign is going to affect everything inside the parentheses. So I'll rewrite it as 180 equals 8x, and then minus 3x. And remember, this minus sign and this minus sign interact and make it a plus sign, because negative times a negative is a positive. So it's 8x minus 3x plus 15 on the right side. All right, now I can simplify. I can combine these like terms. So 8x minus 3x is 5x. I'm left with 180 on the left. So I have 5x plus 15. My next step will be to subtract 15 on both sides of the equation. These cancel. I'm left with 5x on the right side and 165 on the left. So I'll divide both sides by 5. The right side cancels, and 165 divided by 5 equals 33. And that's how you solve equations with parentheses.